Hello everyone, we are back again in a new video reaction. So I saw people sharing it, and this video. People, I don't know why they decided to share this video, but I have listened to it. To the best of my knowledge, this video is old. Okay, I don't see it as a new video because the what he said here is familiar to me. So I don't know why. Maybe I am wrong. And one of the reasons why I decided to share it is that I want you to validate it. I want to see how many of you that can agree with me that this is old video of Asari Dokubo. But people are sharing it now as if he's I don't know if they want to make it look like he has made a U-turn from his agenda of making sure that he eliminates Igbo race and all that with his Asawana group. But when you listen to what he said on this video, you can relate it to something that he has said in the past. That's why I felt that something is not really, right. Okay, but I don't want to waste much of time. We are going to listen to that. Then we'll be right back. Just a moment. Let me get it on. Okay, let's hear.
Something seriously is happening. Something very serious is happening. And our so-called political elites and leaders do not care. They are not doing anything about it. They feel very unconcerned about it. Our political elites do not care about it. Our people are left brutalized, tossed here and there by the tempests and the winds of the sea. Nobody cares. Every day we hear stories of thousands and thousands of Futajelong Gambari Fulanis being transported by every means of transportation down into our land, down into the John Nation, down into Igbo land, down into Shekiri land, down into Ogoni land, every day, in the most unthinkable fashions, in their thousands. If you go to Bayelsa today, as I'm talking, all the fishing settlements and the farming villages are occupied and controlled by these fellows. Where young people were strong, away came, nothing is going to happen. A man is only strong when he's with his people, when he has enough number to overcome his enemy. We should not underestimate these people. They have our money with us. They have been receiving tons and tons of our money. Their brother Abacha stole and sharing it amongst themselves. A minister in a federation came to say that sharing the money in the north because there are no poor people in the south. And where are our governors? Where are our local ministers? Where are our women rights ministers? Where are our women rights lawyers? All of them, they close their mouth. But this is more sinister. This is more sinister. They are coming here. They are changing the demography. What are they coming for? You remember Osman Danfodio? How they came to Sokoto, to Kobri, to Kano, to Katsina, to be here. And what happened? They replaced the Abe rulers. They replaced the original people and took over the realms of power. They are coming. History is going to repeat itself. If we don't act now, they are coming. History is going to repeat itself. If we don't act now, they are not pretending about it. They are coming with war, destruction and death. They are coming to occupy our land. Why you cannot go to your community? In Obama, how many Obama people are at home? They are leaving their home and they are coming here. Obama is a village. You cannot come to Obama. Those of us who live in Obama, we are backward people. When the evil and the tribulation will come, it will not come for only Dr. Asari, it will come for all of us. I'm smarter than you. I know that I'm more prepared than you. And when it comes, I will also run faster than you. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. It's not grandstanding like Wiki. I got 14 people grandstanding. This is beyond grandstanding. This is a time for strategy. This is a time for consultation. This is a time for meeting. Our very survival is at stake. We must stand up and defend ourselves, or we will all perish in the hands of these blood-tasting monsters who will give us the Sokoto.
Okay, so you have listened to that. You see, when he mentioned Wike, this is to tell you that he made this video when Wike was still a governor. Wike is no longer a governor of River State. But then this audio was made, this video, not audio, was made when Wike was still a governor of River State. For some of us that have shared, because I've seen many people that I actually, hope they're in position to, they can dictate it, but they're afraid to do that. I thought they are capable of knowing to know this kind of thing. But I saw some of our people, sharing this video as if it's a new video. Some will tell you to go and watch what it is after the boss said, as if it is important also. This is old video before they called him and settled him. Because if you want us to talk, just make him to go hungry. Then he will start sounding as like not a freedom fighter, like somebody, human rights activist, or maybe somebody who actually care about the humanity and all that. But once once you see him, once they notice that he's not talking, saying it anyhow, they will call him and they know how to treat him, and he'll turn to be their member and supporting them and all, that kind of thing. After saying this, then one of the things that he said recently is that he's not gonna Yorubas are betrayal, that he's going to work with the Northerners. He did not mention Igbo because he knows that Igbos are conquered, politically, and it's not that that we don't have to be shy to say that. So, but we have to say it the way it is. So, please, if you believe that this audio is recent one, put on comment section. Let me know your take on that, because I have seen people sending sharing it as if he just made this video to cover up his Asawana buying people in our land. We understand what is going on, and we know that Buhari have done his own. Tinubu is not doing his own. All of them work somehow. All of them have worked, with this man in the past, and currently he's still, in good time and working with Tinubu to make sure that Igbo people are being paid for nothing. You hear him talking about buying people, but his gangs, that just people that he said they are strong, they are not in our land, pushing and looking for trouble. But let me end it there, because I don't need to share it. There's some videos that are making way on on social media today about the activities of some in our land. Anyway, we are going to examine that. If it's something that we can bring up, we're going to do it later. But please like this video before you go, and tell me what you think about it. Do you think that he just made the video to cover up the atrocities going on in Igbo land? Because it is very clear that he's one behind it, him and the governor of Anambra and Imo as of now. Abra and Enugu are not yet, fully out. The one of Bonye, but always want to be in a silent settler of Fulani. Okay, starting from the time of Devomai, and this one that is now governor is somehow doing the same thing, which is very, very funny. You can say your people just because you want to remain as a governor. Nothing should happen with your position. That kind of thing. Very, very, very sad indeed. So, my people, tell me what you think about it, and please like the video and comment, share it, and let me know. Very, very important that I want to know your own take. Do you agree with me that it's old video, or do you think that he made the video just to sound like he cares? That he don't know that his hands are clean in as one people going on and buying our youth. So I would like to hear from you. God bless you. I see you again. Bye bye for now.